All right, let's talk about a tool that is trying to solve one of the biggest headaches of our modern work lives. It's called Tactiq, and it's designed to be your totally invisible assistant for every single meeting you have.
So let me just ask you, does your calendar look like a game of Tetris that you're losing? Just completely blocked out with back-to-back video calls? If it does, then you definitely know that feeling of being completely swamped by the end of the day.
And it's not just a sheer number of meetings, is it? It's that mental juggling act you have to do in every single one. You're trying to listen, trying to contribute, but you're also frantically typing away, trying to catch all the key decisions and figure out who's supposed to do what. And of course, something always gets missed. Then, you've got to spend even more time writing up meeting minutes after the call's already over. It is exhausting.
So let's actually dig into this because it's not just, a personal frustration. This is a huge productivity problem, and the tech world has been trying to solve this whole meeting overload thing for a while now.
And usually, the solution from a lot of the big names out there is to have an AI bot join your meeting. You've probably seen this before. An extra participant pops up named Otter or Fireflies. And look, it gets the job done, but let's be honest, it can feel a little intrusive. Having that bot there can be kind of awkward, especially when you're on a call with a new client and you're trying to build a good rapport.
But what if there was a totally different way to do it? This is where Tactiq comes in, with a new kind of assistant that does all its work completely behind the scenes.
And here is the absolute game changer in its approach. Instead of a bot that joins the call, Tactiq is just a browser extension. It lives silently in your sidebar. And get this, it doesn't record any audio. Instead, you just turn on the live captions in Google Meet or Zoom, and Tactiq simply reads and saves that text as it appears. And for everyone else on the call, it is completely 100% invisible. They have no idea it's even there.
This stealthy approach is exactly why it's become such a favorite for people. It's just perfect for anyone who needs to capture every single detail of a conversation. Think salespeople, consultants, you name it, without making the other person feel like they're being formally recorded by some machine.
So how does this actually work in the real world? You might be thinking that something this clever has got to be complicated, but honestly, the whole process is surprisingly simple. Let's just walk through it.
Seriously, it's just these 4 steps. First, you install the extension. Then, you join your Google Meet or Zoom call in your browser, and you just hit that little CC button to turn on the captions. A sidebar immediately pops up that only you can see, and it starts transcribing everything in real time. And when the call's over, you get the full transcript, and with one more click, you get a perfect AI summary.
And that one click is where the real magic happens. This isn't just about getting a huge wall of text at the end of a call. No, it's about what the AI can do with that text. Let's just call them Tactiq's AI superpowers.
Okay, first up, the AI summaries. Tactiq uses powerful AI models to instantly digest the entire conversation and pull out only the most important stuff. We're talking a clean bullet point summary, a neat little checklist of every single action item and who it's assigned to, and it'll even suggest an agenda for your next follow-up meeting. But what about, say, a week later? You're trying to remember one specific little detail from a call. You've got that vague memory like, what exactly did Dave say about the budget? You really don't want to have to read through that whole transcript again just to find it.
Well, you don't have to. With Tactiq, you can just ask. It has this amazing feature where you can literally chat with your meeting transcript. You type your question, and the AI searches the entire text and gives you the exact answer right there with all the context. It's like having a perfect, searchable memory of every single meeting you've ever been in.
And of course, your notes are only useful if they actually end up where you do your work, right? So Tactiq connects to all the big tools you'd expect. You can push your summaries and action items straight into a Notion page, a Slack channel, a Google Doc, or even update your CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot. It really closes the loop. So, with all these cool features, the big question is, should you be using it? Is it right for you? Let's get into the practical details to help you figure that out. So, Tactiq has a pretty straightforward pricing model. You can get started completely free, which gives you up to 10 meetings a month. If you're in meetings all the time, the Pro plan gives you unlimited meetings for around $10 a month, and then the Team plan unlocks all the unlimited AI features for your whole crew.
Now, anytime we're talking about a tool that, listens to meetings, security is a huge deal. Tactiq is SOC 2 compliant, which is basically the gold standard for data security. It also only stores the text transcript, not sensitive audio or video files. But, and this is a really crucial point, even though the tool is invisible, you are still responsible for letting other people on the call know that you're saving a transcript. Ethically, and in a lot of places legally, that's on you.
So, to wrap it all up and make it super simple, Tactiq is a fantastic choice if you want that invisible tool for client calls, if you live inside Google Meet or the web version of Zoom, and if you want to push your notes right into places like Notion or Slack. On the other hand, you should probably skip it if you only use the Zoom desktop app, since it's built for browsers. Or, obviously, if your company has a super strict policy against browser extensions, or if you actually need to record video and not just text.
And that pretty much covers it. It's a really powerful, really stealthy, and super intelligent way to handle all that information overload from meetings. So the final question I'll leave you with is this. Could your meetings use a silent superhero?